Started.
Arav, hearty congratulations. You have cleared the Air Force NDA as a pilot from to AFSP Mysore.
Yes, sir.
So, and you are a first candidate. In first itself, you have cleared the written exam and the SSB and your medical also. So, how was the journey and how was the SSB coaching, free coaching by Colonel Vinod Joshi?
It was a wonderful experience, right from the beginning. I have to practice for the written part. It involved, mathematics in a very strange way. Like it was not clarity-wise. Like I have to practice the question in a time limit. Like there were 120 questions I have to do in 150 minutes. So that was also a test. Then afterwards, I have to do the SSB coaching. My father told me about you. He also got to know about from my Fufaji.
So that I'm aware. Principal Mrs. Rajput has given my number.
Yes.
And how was the coaching? Like you have taken coaching from one of the Chandigarh this.
Yes.
What is the difference? And how was my intense coaching for recommendation?
Yes, sir. Like I have done coaching from you and the coaching institute also. The main difference was, the personal touch. Like there were in the other coaching I took, there were 50 students and only one teacher, and they were talking through all of them in general.
So, yeah, the generic teaching is there and telling about the tips. Here you are getting the personal touch where you are lacking and all. So, how was the VAT, TAT, SRT, and SD and other tests?
Yes, sir. All these psychologist tests, like you have messaged me and told me how to do this. Like from the VAT, you told me not to make one sentence on one word, but to make three.
Yeah.
So
it was the aim was to make open your horizon.
Yes.
How to think, what to think, and how to associate one word with different words, which are higher and bigger.
Yes, sir. So from this only, like if I'm making sentence with one word, I'm easily be able to make the same sentences, like just changing the word with other words also. So that helped me a lot from the bad sentences. And even the TAT, like you have told not to make the whole story, have the story one but make three plots.
Yeah.
That also
again because the plot and where you are taking the story, one. Second, further, how to make the story, which has three parts have been covered. And how was the SRT?
Yes, sir, the SRTs were also good. Like new reaction tests were there, so I have to solve it that way. Like you have said, we have to be independent. If a problem has occurred, we have to solve it ourselves only. We don't have to ask others for help, and we have to react in a manner that how the incidents are being occurring. If a task requires immediate assistance or help, then we should prioritize that first. So you have
telegraphic language, putting the comma, because it's a commando exercise in psychology, and you have to do approx 50, knowing different situations which are happened with the other human, not with us, but usually it has happened. So how was the extemporary lecture and group planning exercise?
So I believe the extemporary lecture was the main and the best part. Like it was not only covering the lecturate part in the GTO, but also in the interview. In the GTO only there are many tasks. In the stage one, which is the most important. Without that, I would not
PPDT,
be able to
GD.
PPDT, GD.
Yeah.
Even in the
narration part, yes.
That helped a lot. Also, like you have not told to read something and perform. I was not reading. I have researched first. Then I was speaking from my mind. That also helped in the interview.
Only the research, data should be kept in mind.
Yes.
And English will be impromptu.
Yes.
How to make the skeleton, how to speak.
Yes.
So, extemporary lecture video has enhanced your confidence.
Yes, absolutely.
And flawless speech you was able to give. How was the GPE? group planning exercise?
Yes, sir, it was also very good. Like in the GP in the SSB, I believe it was a lot easier than the one you gave. So doing the difficult GP helped a lot, because if I have done a harder task, the easier task became a lot easier.
Yeah, my training is little hard. I will give an example. If I am doing cross country of 14 kilometer, I will do the practice of 20 kilometers.
Yes.
So which enhance your timing,
Yes.
performance, confidence.
Yes.
That is there, and different interview questions which were shared with you, and the PIQ form, how it was and how it has helped you in the interview.
Yes, sir. Like I have shared my PIQ with you. Then I believe you have given a voice note to me, a very detailed voice note,
Yeah.
in which the PIQ consists of 2 pages and many 9 to 10 sections.
Yeah.
And you have talked about each one of them,
Hmm.
like how the questions will be asked in the behalf of my parents,
Mhm.
my schooling. I have an elder sister. Questions about her, my hobbies, sports, and everything. You have given a brief idea, and also you have given questions that will be coming. And sir, those were there. Like you told me that my parents are a doctor, and I am coming from a civilian background. So that question came, sir, and it helped a lot, because I was already known about the structure. I have to give the answer.
Yeah.
So it helped.
So basically, we are teaching generic question. What type of question would be asked?
Yes, sir.
And we don't know. SSB is unseen, unknown, unexpected. So what the IO is thinking and making the asking and grilling.
Yes.
I will not say grilling. He goes in depth about your life, and different question relate to Air Force. I've been given to you, like the fighter, the air squadron, different command,
Yes, sir.
which has helped you. So overall, you have learned,
Yes.
and it was free of cost.
Yes, sir.
So in psychology, in extempore lecture, group planning exercise, I was sharing the recommended aspirant and conference out aspirant,
Yes.
their feedback also, which helped you a lot.
Yes, sir.
So it was overall good.
Yes, sir. Very good.
So hearty wishes,
Thank
hearty
you.
congratulations to
Thank
you,
you.
joining the mighty Air Force,
Yes.
and do the training.
Yes.
Mental endurance is required.
Yes.
So go with that rut, Brahmurta, awaking.
Yes.
So hearty wishes to you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Ara.
Thank you.